Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
So I had convened a meeting with the managing committee of Lairai Devasthan, and I had given directions to them that close the temple premises for the general public during the Jatra festivities, since we are facing COVID pandemic this year, and managing committee has readily agreed that the temple precinct will not be open for the general public. Widespread publicity has been given that no Jatra festivities will be conducted this year due to COVID pandemic. So we have made elaborate arrangement of police personnel, traffic police personnel will be posted, fire personnel will be posted to ensure that there is no mass gathering at Lairai Devasthan during the Jatra festivities. Managing committees have been instructed to do their normal rituals, that if they don't adhere to the order issued by the district collector, then we will initiate stringent action against the committee. We have sealed entry exit points. All essential things such as whatever eatable items and all which is brought by the vehicles, goods vehicle and all, that will be allowed inside Shirgao village. Villagers will be allowed, but no devotee from outside the village of Shirgao will be allowed